Hi guys, it's Amy, your Norwex independent consultant. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm doing to get ready for back to school. Back to school will be here before we know it, and I just don't want to leave everything to the last minute. So one of the things that I love doing is reusing our backpacks every year, or lunch boxes, things like that. And the best way to keep them clean and free of bacteria and gunk and all the other stuff that they pick up is by soaking them. And I use the Norwex Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. Now you can use this for your Norwex to deep clean it. We recommend that you deep clean it at least once every 6 months because Norwex cloths are amazing and they pick up so much. But you can also use this to deep clean other items in your home, including pillows, dog beds, things like that. Things that you can't necessarily fit in the washing machine. Now, there's two ways to use this. You can use this alone and just let the item soak and then rinse it out and hang to dry. Or you can use it before washing your item in the washing machine if you know it's really dirty. And that's what I'm going to do in today's video. And I'm going to be deep cleaning some backpacks and lunch boxes and things like that. Now, our Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster is special because it's an enzyme-based product. Now, enzymes are found in nature, but they are proteins that act as catalysts to break down bacteria, gunk, oils, grease, anything really. And it works really well. I've used this so many times on so many different things in my house. It's just blows me away every time I see the water after I soak our items. So let's get into this video. And if you like my content, if you like this channel, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you soon. This is my son's summer backpack. You know, he uses it to go to camp, to go to grandma's house, and I noticed how dirty it was as I'm getting ready for the week. And it's been in here for about 5 minutes. And look how dirty that water is already. I love the Microfiber Laundry Booster. I used a full scoop because I wanted to get this really clean. And so I'm gonna leave it in here about a half hour and see how much we get out of it. Okay, now I'm moving on to lunch boxes, and they look pretty clean. Been using them for camp and things like that. And I want to get ready for the school year. This is my husband's. His looks a little dingy on the inside. So we're gonna see how well we do. So you just plug up the sink, hot water. I use the hottest setting, and I'm gonna use 1 scoop of Laundry Booster. And once that dissolves and fills up about halfway, then I'll submerge the 3 lunch boxes and we'll see how it does. Okay, I let them stay in about 15 minutes and look at that water. Keep in mind, I wipe these down regularly, and they looked pretty clean, but look how disgusting the water is, and it actually smells really bad too. And I am using 1 scoop of the Norwex Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. So you can use this to deep clean your Norwex and deep clean lots of other things too. The last thing I'm going to deep clean is this school bag. So I've got the water ready. So let's see how it does. Okay, this has been soaking for about 15-20 minutes. Look at that. So much yuckies coming out of it. Wow. I'm going to let it soak for a couple more minutes, and then we'll go to the last step. Okay, I'm done doing the deep cleaning soaks. So now I've thrown all 4 items into the washing machine, and I have half a scoop of Booster and 1 tablespoon of Norwex laundry detergent. And I'm going to set this on a delicate setting And the temperature I'm going to use, oops, is hot. Okay. Now I do have a high efficiency washing machine, so I have to tell it to deep fill, and we will see how they turn out. Okay, the cycle is done. So let's see how well these turned out. Very bright. It was so dingy before. So let's see next. Wow. Bright colors again. Inside looks great. Let's get the backpack. Now this backpack we've been reusing for, wow, probably 4 years. Look at that. I do need to dry it. Okay, our last 2 items in the washing machine. Got my husband's backpack. Wow, looks fantastic. That's white again. Look inside. Looks absolutely fantastic. And then we have the neon kind of day pack. Wow, look at that bright color. Looks fantastic. All right, I'm going to pop these in the dryer for a few minutes on air dry, and then we'll be done. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for stopping by my channel.